what we're going to be looking at today is the Holy Stone HS210 Nano drone. 50-meter range on it. I think it weighs about 20 grams. It comes with 3 batteries. Each battery's got about 7 minutes flight time on them. You get 21 minutes of flight time. I just purchased this off Amazon. It's on offer for about £25. I think the normal price is about 35 to 40. So let's jump straight into it. We'll do the unboxing, see what you get in the box, and then we'll see what it flies like. Okay, so in the first pack, we've got, looks like a battery. We've got propellers in there. So we've got an instruction manual. Just for your caution for your batteries. Charger. There's the props there. See the size of them, tiny. Got the A props and the B props. Onto one side for a minute. Little spanner there as well, and a screwdriver. So in this box now, we've got the drone itself. See the size of it, absolutely tiny. Tiny little thing. Compare it to the SE. Absolutely tiny. Really light. And we've got the 3 batteries. 1, 2, 3 batteries. 3 lithium batteries. Like I said, 7 minutes flight time per battery on those. And in the last box is your controller. Actually feels all right. Feels a bit like a PlayStation controller, something like that. I do believe that it takes 3 AA batteries. I'll have a look at that. On and off switch. On and off switch at the bottom. Got a 1-button take off there. The button on the right hand side, that's for your headless mode. Obviously you've got your joysticks. On the top here, you've got your speed. A short press for your speed. And I do believe if you press a long press on it, it does a circle fly. On the right top button, short press for your 360 flips, and a long press is for your auto rotate on the spot. Now I know with this drone, it comes packed with features really for the size of it. It's got a one button take off. You can actually throw it up into the air as well. It's got the altitude hold. It's got a circle fly. So like we'll be testing that out and see how it flies around. It's got headless mode, Also does three 360-degree flips and the high-speed rotation as well. So hopefully it's as good as it sounds. I suppose all that's left to do now is we're going to get it all charged up and see what it flies like. Okay guys, so I've got my power bank out now. So I'll just show you your charger. Take the cap off. Just put it in the USB port. Got your lights on the top, so when you do plug your battery in, I do believe that it'll charge 2 batteries at once. When you plug them in, it goes to a red light. Just see if we can do 2. Yeah, so you can actually charge 2 batteries at the same time. I think they take 40 to 60 minutes according to the manual to fully charge. We'll charge them up now, and then we're going to give it a flight, little indoor flight, and let you see how it looks. Okay, so we have got 2 fully charged batteries now. I think they took about half an hour to charge, to be honest with you. So all you want to do is unplug them out the charger. They are very fiddly, I must admit, because they are so tiny. Probably best using a pair of tweezers, something like that, so you don't break any of the wires. And all you do is simply just push it into connector, then slide the battery into the tray. There you go. Right, let's give it a fly. So first of all, you want to switch the controller on. Drone has no button to turn on or off. It just comes on as soon as you put the battery in. To pair, simply push forward and then downwards, sorry, on the left joystick. To calibrate the gyro, push both sticks to the bottom left corner simultaneously. And we are good to fly. There you go guys. You can see it up in the air there now. It's pretty stable. It does drift a bit, but you do expect that with a drone with no GPS. But yeah, definitely worth the money. £25 on offer if you want something just for a bit of fun. When it's raining, can't get your drone out, and it's ideal just for a little play about. If you did enjoy this video, then give it a subscribe for me if you're not already subscribed. Hit the like button. I'll see you all on the next one.